Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to create or have multiple accounts within eBay. So having multiple accounts, guys, could be a problem for some of you, but it's pretty simple. It's not complicated at all. So here, as you can see, I have my account that has been created already. Now, this account is one of many accounts that I could have. The process of making an account is easy, so we could simply just log out. And once we log out, I'm not going to sign in with the same account, but let's click here on sign in again. Once you click on sign in again, you could click here to switch the account, so you are not going to log in into the same account. Once you have done that, you are simply going to go either to one of these options: create an account by clicking in here, which will take you to the normal process of putting email, password, name, full name, etc. And you're simply going to go through this process very easily, very simple, very quickly, or by simply going to one of these three options: continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or either even PayPal, Apple. So just by choosing one of these options will allow you to actually log in into a different account, different than the one that you have already created. Just take in consideration when creating an account or logging into an account, for example, don't use the same information that you have been using in the previous accounts. So for example, here this is my email, which is this one. So when I'm trying to log in into a new account, I'm not of course gonna create an account using this email, and I'm not gonna use Google sign in because I am logging into this account with Google. So this is something to take in consideration. So try to create multiple emails. Try, for example, Yahoo, Outlook, and then Gmail, and then make sure that all the informations in them are different and use different passwords so you can have a secure browsing during your eBay browsing. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.